We are looking at a pretty chilly out the door forecast. Some low to mid 20s here this morning. Only about a 2-3 degree warm up by lunchtime. It is going to be a chilly day. Now we're tracking multiple rounds of snow. The first time you're going to see it will be this morning, likely light and after about 8 o'clock. So if you get out the door early here in the next couple of hours, dry conditions for us. Heavier snow expected tonight, which means that morning drive tomorrow could be a little slick too. Single digit temps too early tomorrow morning. We are in for some pretty cold weather. Take a look at the snow right now. This is the cold front as it's coming in. We're seeing some of the snow coming in with it, and you're going to find up along 76 some icy conditions there. I-25 north of Fort Collins. Fort Collins, I'd say here within the next 30 to 45 minutes, you're going to start to see some of that snow, which will make that drive slick if you're heading down to Denver this morning. Teens and 20s, it feels like 13 in Denver, and you can see where we still have just a little bit of cloud cover at this point. Winter weather advisory goes into effect at noon today, in effect until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning for us here in town. Covers the entire northern Front Range metro area. Heaviest snow is going to be up and through the northern Front Range mountains. So parts of Larimer, Boulder, northern Jefferson County, you're going to pick up that heavier snow. So take a look at the timing. And again, here right around 9 o'clock, we'll see a better chance for some light snow. Likely with this first round, less than an inch. And then throughout the day, some flurries, light snow continuing, especially up and near west of Fort Collins, closer to Estes Park, Boulder and Allens Park. You'll see a little more throughout the afternoon. We'll see flurries here in town through the day. And then take a look at how it starts to pick up overnight tonight. That's right around midnight. We'll drop into the teens at that point. Single-digit lows early tomorrow morning as skies start to clear. Sunshine by 12 o'clock on Friday. So a lot happening here within the next 24 to 36 hours. But snow total-wise by tomorrow morning, we're likely at around 2 to 5 inches. You're going to find a few pockets here along the Palmer Divide. Areas like Parker, Kiowa, Elizabeth, where we could be upwards of 4 to 5 inches. 5 to 8 inches up and through Rocky Mountain National Park. Areas like Boulder, Netherland, up and through Blackhawk. You're going to see a bit more there, it looks like, by tomorrow morning. And then Denver, the core of the metro area, right around about 2 to 4 inches. It is going to be cold, too. Single-digit lows early Friday and again early Saturday. Sunshine returns, though, for the weekend, and by Sunday, we're at 50 degrees for the start of the Broncos game, and then into the first of next week. Good timing. It's going to lead up to some pretty warm and dry conditions before Thanksgiving. I think, though, Jason, tomorrow morning, it's going to be slick, but the plows will be able to get out during the brunt of it tonight, which is good, too.